Hello, today I want to show you our main product, the natural woven lens. Yes, as you see, we have different shades and different color, and the material is also different. Yes, now we can take one to check. Yes, like this, the material is water plants. Yes, water plants. And this one is paper. Yes, we can make different color, white color, black color, and blue color as you want. Yes, like this one is bamboo material, like this and this, all is bamboo. Yes, this one also bamboo, so we can make small and big or different shapes. Yes, this one you can see is brown color. Yes, the material is rattan. Yes, rattan material. And this one, yes, also rattan, but in different color. Yes, this one, yes, so big. It's also rattan. Yes, all these lens are fashionable and we sell well to Europe and other countries. Like this is also paper. Yes, paper string. This one, paper also. Inside is the metal part. We can make it black color or brown color or white color. Yes, the shade also can be changed. This one is the wood sheet. Yes, wood sheet. Different from the rattan and the bamboo. And this one also wood base. Yes, wood base. Okay.